and we can get rid of Angela.
Of what?
I say we only have a couple years and we can get rid of Angela Merkel.
Angela.
Angela. She's been a disappointment to me over the past 2 years.
We're already political.
That's right.
I have to get involved in
She's from my homeland.
Okay. Wow.
I poked my nose in.
It's already been open.
Okay,
60
it's
miles
rotated
per
and
hour.
then
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
rotated like that.
Oh,
Can you
let
see
him
that?
see let him see it. There.
Wow, that's cool.
So you won this?
Well.
If you keep it in the box and go down the highway, you can do 80.
Yeah.
We all win this.
You got
Everything.
I don't know. That joke works better in Germany than it does here.
What do you mean?
Maybe.
Wow.
So
Here it
that's
is.
just one part of it. That's the so it like goes vertical and then the wing pitch tilts and then it becomes a airfoil.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So there's a
hold
few
that thought.
parts
I'm a
here.
little overwhelmed.
But that's the official unveiling.
Hold that thought.
Now you've seen the.
That looks like a military.
You were
one.
part of the official opening of the box.
Wow. Great.
Yeah, there's a
Okay, all right,
whole
Jen,
bunch
let's circle
more
back to
stuff
that.
in it. Maybe.
Would you like
holding
Would
this
you like to have a photo of you so I can put a screenshot?
Sure.
Yeah,
He's got to do that.
Can you see? Hang on.
Like that?
Yeah. Great. There's one guy missing from Team A.
Yeah, Juanito left earlier.
Okay, so. Great. Congratulations to you all. You
Thanks,
did a wonderful
Reiner.
job.
Thanks, Reiner.
I assume.
And who's going to fly the drone afterwards?
No, no. Hey,
Nobody
Reiner, you mean who is going to crash the drone? Come on, let's get it right.
Actually, we joined groups with the drone club, and I think one of the guys there, he has a license to fly drones. So
Yeah.
probably try to get somebody who has a lot of experience with flying drones, because
At least
this is
5 hours.
expensive.
Is
Yeah.
it an agricultural drone? Because they have one that you can.
This one?
Yeah.
No, generic.
Generic.
For whatever you want to do.
Yeah, it's just go fast drone.
It's not carbon fiber, is it?
This looks like you need to have a runway or something.
Cool, Reiner.
You can.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll touch base next week.
Yeah, that was great.
Awesome.
Have a nice day. So,
Yeah.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Saturday, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Take care, Chris.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Very cool.
617 members.
Wait a minute.
Our groups have.
Was that the other camera is the GoPro 7
No.
thing over there?
Does that fly
Neil has
USA?
another 490 or something.
No,
It
I
has
don't
an
think
out,
so.
doesn't it?
We can
It
replace
does.
this with the
This is up.
And then we have
Yeah,
chapters
so then-
on
See, the shape
question
of the
is-
wing is slightly different.
We don't have.
So it's grown quite a bit.
Wow.
I don't see the
XPlusOne.
controller really.
What do you mean?
No, the controller means something like the fixed fork or the other
I went to grad school
something.
for
Like,
regular robotics.
I do something.
That's my forte.
What is regular robotics?
That's
Anything on
the
wheels, anything that is not industrial, anything that doesn't have a
battery
fence.
That's the charger. These are the batteries.
These are the wings for the.
Where they got it's got to be in here. I mean, basically the intelligence.
Yeah, that's what I.
Yeah, so I'm thinking it's all embedded. It is, because here's your motors. Yeah. Here's your GPS. Here's the motors, and it's
So it
got to
should
be
be
in there.
underneath this. Yep. Oh, it is built in.
Yeah. Just plug in the batteries.
Yeah, that's where
Yep.
like while we can still
Yeah,
play
open
around.
it up. See if we can see inside back there. Can you see from here?
Oh, That's so common.
And this much just attached to that. What we don't have is the gimbal.
This is the farm drone.
And that's an add-on part, I'm guessing.
I think they kind of, we only need the gimbal for stabilization, right?
I think you can also, it's the stabilizing and control, so you can change the, you can move the camera around 360.
So it's an entire intelligent arm, or is it just
Yes.
supposed to be an
It's like a case that holds the camera. That thing didn't come with anything else, right?
It came with this, and it came with another small base similar to this.
Okay, no.
And you can actually attach this to something else.
Yes. Okay. Let me check this box one more time. I was hoping that this was the gimbal, but that kind of makes sense because they were two separate awards. They didn't say we're giving them to you to use together as such, even though you can do it. So I think we need.
But it does actually have some stabilization.
Unless. Maybe, because they did repack some things, so
Oh, yeah,
maybe.
that could be the gimbal. Yeah, that's actually the most expensive one. This is the 400.
That's what they told us. Actually, no, it wasn't. We were supposed to win. So, hey, weren't we supposed to get the Go 6?
We are supposed to get
We
the
won the
6.
GoPro 6.
That's the 7. This is the most expensive 7.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You can't buy it?
It just got released.
I didn't know that.
Oh, they do have the gimbal.
Dude,
Sweet.
And apparently it has a GoPro 3.
can you believe that?
In there? No way.
Like, it can't.
Wait.
Yeah.
That's not possible.
Did you want to see the wheelchair?
Oh, yeah.
No, it's the mount.
It's just the gimbal.
It's the mount.
Yeah, I would be surprised if they are also.
I don't know what everybody.
You can today if you had enough money.
We're just gonna.
You want to? You got,
Yeah,
you got
right,
three
yeah,
quarters
right.
of the voting committee is
Right.
here right now. We decided that they got enough money. Charles?
2,500 is what? Was that?
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the gimbal.
That's the stabilization.
That's the
And
stabilization.
the smart controller
Oh my
of
God.
some sort.
Yeah.
So how much does this go for?
1,000.
Wow.
Yeah, but that's what the camera goes for.
The camera goes
Hey,
for
I got a little drone with
Camera?
a camera on it, and it's controlled by an iPhone. I got it for Christmas.
Nice.
It's
Nice. Yes.
$99.
Beautiful. Yes.
It's a paper airplane.
I love it. I
So
love
if it crashes, you just fold another
Yeah.
piece of paper.
Yeah. That's where your situation is better than ours. We don't have the crash part figured out,
I thought that was kind
These
of fun.
are so
I got the
sensitive.
cheap
Yeah.
version for my
Yeah, I
grandkids.
think these are
Awesome.
brushless.
$49.
They are probably brushless.
Awesome.
Mine is.
The most
Oh, they're
Theirs
brushless.
doesn't have a camera
These are
on it.
brushless.
Yeah, the price is, just dropping.
These are
It's
PWM
wonderful what you
brushless.
can do already,
These are so
Someone was bright
fine.
enough to basically just build a little,
Unbelievable.
a single wire.
It takes all the
But at
vibration
one end
out.
was the
It
They
counterbalances.
don't.
Yeah.
The other
They
end
don't
was
click
the
as you
motor
turn
with
it.
the
Or
propeller.
is
No.
that,
Yeah.
how can you tell?
Well,
it's
it's very
You
fine.
just kind
Oh,
of fit
okay.
that in the
Very
middle
fine.
of
But
your
these are
paper.
constant working. They don't
Slide it in.
stabilize because
I love it.
they
And so when it
counterbalance.
crashes, you slide it out and get another piece
And
of
the
paper.
camera. It's
Perfect.
unbelievable. You got that in your hand.
It's brilliant.
I'll have
Well, now
to
it's
bring it.
recorded.
Yeah.
It was
I mean,